How to test your bone health at home, simple DIY assessments and expert tips. Are your bones silently getting weaker? How do you know if you're at risk of osteoporosis? Today, you'll learn how to assess your bone strength at home using simple self-tests, and get proven tips to rebuild stronger bones. Small Diamond 2. Test 1. Chair Rise Test. Test Tube Test. Try standing up from a chair without using your arms. Cross your arms over your chest and rise smoothly. Results. Check mark can stand easily. Right pointing arrow good lower body strength and coordination. Cross mark difficulty or imbalance. Right pointing arrow may indicate reduced bone density, weak muscles, or early signs of osteopenia. Warning why it matters. Inability to rise properly is linked to hip fragility and higher fall risk in older adults. Small Diamond 3. Test 2. Balance Test. Test Tube Test. Stand on one foot for up to 30 seconds, do both legs. For a challenge, try with eyes closed. Results. Check mark over 15 seconds equals strong balance and joint support. Cross mark under 10 seconds equals poor proprioception and possible bone muscle coordination loss. Light bulb tip. Practicing balance exercises daily can reduce fracture risk dramatically. Small Diamond 4. Test 3. Posture Test. Test Tube Test. Stand with your heels, buttocks, shoulders, and head against a wall. Check if your head touches the wall naturally. Results. Check mark neutral posture. Right pointing arrow spine is likely healthy. Cross mark if your head doesn't touch without tilting. Right pointing arrow possible spinal curvature or vertebral compression from bone loss. Small Diamond 5. Red flags for bone loss. Warning. Early warning signs. Chronic back or hip pain, losing more than 2 centimeters, 0.8 inches, in height, fragile teeth or receding gums, hunched posture or visible hump, frequent fractures from minor falls. Small Diamond 6. Harmful habits that weaken bones. Avoid these. Sugary sodas, high in phosphoric acid, too much coffee or caffeine, smoking and excessive alcohol, inactivity or prolonged sitting, high sodium processed foods, salt leaches calcium. Small Diamond 7. Best habits to strengthen bones. Checkmark do this instead. Take vitamin D, 1000 to 2000 IU per day or safe sun exposure. Eat calcium-rich foods. Sardines, leafy greens. Bone broth. Add magnesium, vitamin K2, and zinc. Perform weight-bearing exercises. Brisk walking, stair climbing. Use resistance bands for gentle muscle activation. Small Diamond 8. Simple bone strengthening exercises. Try this daily. Wall squats. Hold for 1 minute. Single leg stance 30 seconds each leg. Fast walking 20 minutes a day. Resistance band curls and stretches. These promote bone remodeling and joint stability. Small Diamond 9. When to see a doctor. Consult a specialist if you fail multiple self-tests, you're over 50 or postmenopausal, you've had fractures before, you have a family history of osteoporosis. Clipboard. Ask for a DEXA scan, bone density test, and check levels of vitamin D, calcium, parathyroid hormone, PTH, thyroid function. Small Diamond 10. Final thoughts. Your bones are the framework of your life. Take care of them today so they can support you tomorrow. Start with these small changes, move more, eat better, and stay balanced. Subscribe for more expert health content.